Okay, children, good afternoon. I hope all of you reached. Okay, so we were talking about the identities. Okay, children. Okay, so I'll give one question for you. To use the identity, okay, children, you should identify which identity is here. Okay, children. Okay, the question is factorize. Factorize 49a square 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. 25b square. Did you write the question? Did you write the question?
Right.
Okay. Listen, children. This is one identity, but it is not the left side, it is the right side. Can you identify which identity is that? It is not the LHS, it is the RHS. One of the identities RHS. Can you recognize which identity is that?
A plus B all
A
square.
plus B all
A plus
square.
B all square. Good. A plus B all square. Actually, this identity, it is A square plus 2AB plus B square. The A plus B all square, that identity is right side. It is right side. RHS. So you have to factorize this 49A square plus 70AB plus 25B square. In this, look at only the first term and listen, children. Look at the first term, only the first term. First term and last term. This is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this 49a square is in place of a square and 25b square is in place of b square. So what will be the square root of this 49a square? 49a square. One number square is 49a square. So what is that number?
7A.
7a. 7a square is 49a square. So the first term is 7a. Okay, children. So first term is 7a. Like this. 7a. Isn't it? Now what about 25b square? Its square root, 25 square root.
5B.
5B.
So 7a plus 5b all square it is. So when you expand, you will get the same value given as the identity. So no need of looking at the second term. Just see the first term and the last term. So you will get the identity left side, the identity back. That is 7a plus 5b all square. When you expand, you will get 7a all square is 49a square plus 5b all square is 25b square. And the middle term is 2ab. 2 into 7 into 5. 35 into 2, 70ab. So only look at the middle term, first term and the last term. Okay, children? Okay? So this is mean by factorization. So our first question was factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So you have to write the answer like this. Answer is, we are using the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b all square. Therefore, 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square is 7a plus 5b all square. Only this much you have to write. Okay, children, write it. And I'll give the next question for you. Okay, children, finished? Finish. Shall I give the next question?
Yes.
Yes. Shall I give the next question to you?
Yes.
Okay, children. This is meant by factorization. That means you will be getting the answer of an identity. You should identify which identities and write the left side of it. Okay, children. See, Adil Mohammed Naushad came today. Aditya Madhusudan Nair came. Aditya Madhusudan Nair. Yes. Afsana came. Ashik Patel is not there. Johan, I'm taking the attendance. Johan is there? Johan reached? No. John Samuel? Lolita not there. Malayalam class, she was there. I saw her. Meghna? Melvin? Mohammed Aman? No. Nas? Nisia? Prajot came?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give the next question. Second question is, factorize itself. Second question, factorize 36x square minus 'Hello, children. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question is factorize 36x square minus 48x y plus 4y square. Sorry, 16y square. Turn on your videos. What is this? No one is there in my class. Huh? Vishnu Vivi. Hello. Ah. Adil Muhammad. Okay, children.
Finish.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell the answer now?
6x
Which
minus 4y.
identity it
X
is?
minus 4y whole square.
A minus b.
Ah, all square.
Whole
A
square.
square minus 2ab plus
Plus
b square.
b square.
That is
6x.
a minus b all square. And it is 6x minus 4y all square. Clear? Because 6x square is 6x all square is 36x square. 4y all square is 16y square. And when 2 into 6 into 4 comes, it is 48xy. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
children. Okay. Then next question. Third one. Third question. Factorize 49a square minus 64b square. Okay, children, can you recognize which identity it is? Only
Yes,
two
ma'am.
terms.
A
So
plus
which identity
A
has
square
only two
minus b
plus
terms?
b.
a plus b
A
into
plus b.
a minus b.
A plus b into a minus b. Okay, good. So that identity is a plus b into a minus b. And the answer is a square minus b square. So 49a square minus 64b square is 1 plus and 1 minus. Square root of 49, 1 plus and 1 minus. And what is the answer? Yes,
7a,
children?
7a plus 8b
7a plus
plus
8b into 7a
7a minus
minus 8b.
8b.
Okay. Shall I give the next question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And the question is, wait, question is it which fourth question, right? 25
Yes,
by
ma'am.
4 x square minus y square by 9. 25 by 4 x square minus y square by 9. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Did you get the answer? Yes. Children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your answer? Muhammad Aman like Mahabali. Once in a while he comes. Okay. Can you tell the answer of this? Which identity it is? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is the square root of it? Square root.
5 by
25 by 4.
2x. 5 by 2x.
Yes, children, loudly. I cannot hear your voice.
5 by
2x.
2x.
25 square root 5 and 4 square root is 2.
2.
And x minus y square root is y by 9 square root is 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Y by 3?
Yes.
Okay, children? Is it clear? Did you get the answer like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children? 5 by 2 x plus y by 3 into 5 by 2 x minus y by 3. Okay, so this is known as factorization. Factorization means you have to write it in factors. Sometimes a single sentence polynomial will be given. You should make it into, decompose into different factors. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are studying the fifth identity. The identity is new to you. It is a new identity. Okay. The identity is containing 3 terms. Okay, children. This is the fifth identity, identity 5. It's very important. Very important. And it's very easy also. Very easy identity. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, children. The identity is fifth one. Fifth identity, identity 5, the new identity. Can you see the board? Identity 5. Can you see the board, children?
Yes.
Okay, identity 5. It is x plus y plus z all square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. xz or zx, both same. Okay. X plus y plus z all square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Did you write? Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And watch carefully what the identity is. X plus y plus z all square. There are 3 terms, x plus y plus z. Turn on your videos. X plus y plus z all square is, first 3 terms are square of this. X square plus y square plus z square. Understood? x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, children? X square plus y square plus z square. Then plus x plus y plus z all square is first three terms are x square plus y square plus z square. Did you understand this? Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Only very less children are responding. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 xy. First two terms xy plus 2 yz plus 2 zx. Did you understand this? Zx or xz, both you can tell. Okay? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many terms are there in the identity? How many terms are there in the identity? How many terms are there in the LHS?
3.
3.
3 terms. What are they?
X, Y,
X
Z.
plus
Y, Z.
y plus z all square equal to first 3 terms are the squares x square plus y square plus z square plus then you have to tell in order 2xy 2yz 2xz or zx. Connect first 2 1 and 2, then 2 and 3, then 3 and 1. Clear? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is x, y and z, first one with xy, then yz, then this first and third. First and second, second and third, and first and third. Clear now? So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
identity? Somebody please tell what is x plus y plus z all square? Our new identity? Yes, children.
X square plus Y square plus Z square
Z square plus,
plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2
zx or 2xz. Okay, very good. Vishnu Vivi, will you tell the identity?
X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus 2 x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx.
Okay. Do you feel any difficulty in studying this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we do some questions based on this? I'll do all the questions, one or two questions with only positive sign. Then in between some negative sign also. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is our identity. X plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Okay, our next question is expand. Expand. First question, expand. First one, 3a plus 4b plus 5c all square. Okay, children, before expanding, write the identity once again so that you used to it. If you write, you will be getting, writing comes, it makes a practice. So you will be expert in that. Just write the identity before expanding. A plus B plus, sorry. It is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z all square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Write the identity there and expand. Identity there and expand. Okay. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Gerlin, it is 9A class. Morning you were not there in my class. What happened? Gerlin? Gerlin, when I took 9C maths class, you were not there. And afternoon you came. This is 9A class. Okay, children? Okay. Shall I discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. What is the answer? Can you tell the answer, anyone? Yes.
9a square plus 16b square plus 25c
Yes.
square
Yes.
24ab
First one is,
plus
I will write according, I'll write the full steps. 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. First one square, x square means first one square. 3a whole square. I'll write like this. 3a whole square plus 4b whole square plus 5c whole square plus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 3a into 5c. Since it is all multiplication, last term you can write 5c first or 3a second, no problem. Now it is 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square plus, is it 24ab?
Yes.
Then 40bc
Yes.
plus
Yes, ma'am.
30ac. Is it clear? Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Is it correct now? Now, shall I give one more question? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all got the answer. Okay, children, shall I give the second question to you?
Yes.
Second question is 7x plus 2y plus 3z all square.
Finished.
Okay, Vishnu got the answer. Haya. Okay, it's time. I'll write the answer now. Just check. 7x plus 2y plus 3z all square is 7x all square plus 2y all square plus 3z all square plus 2 into 7x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 3z plus 2 into 7x into 3z. Now 49x square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 14 into 2, 28xy plus 12yz plus 42xz. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it 42 Hardy? Did you get the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any mistake in the answers? You all got the same answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children, shall I leave now? It is time to go.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll continue
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
next day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Study well, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children? Okay, thank you.